Have you ever paused to consider how successful, nurturing families pass down their values through the generations? It turns out, there might be something to learn from Japanese culture. The Japanese people have intricately woven into their lives a deep respect for nature, a keen aesthetic sense, and a reverence for tradition. These cultural foundations have given rise to a wealth of ideas that can help you build resilience, unity, and success. Let's explore 7 of these concepts that could serve as guiding principles for navigating the challenges of life and maintaining familial harmony. 1. Ikigai, discovering your purpose. Ikigai, translated as reason for being or purpose in life, is the compass that directs individuals to their true calling. It's the intersection of passion, proficiency, societal needs, and financial viability. Imagine waking up each morning with a clear sense of purpose, aligning what you love with what the world needs. 2. Shikata ga, acceptance in adversity. Shikata ga, or it cannot be helped, underscores the importance of accepting what's beyond our control. It's not about resignation, but acknowledging that some things are outside our sphere of influence. The focus shifts to adapting and persevering in the face of adversity. 3. Wabi-sabi, finding beauty in imperfection. Wabi-sabi celebrates the charm of imperfection, impermanence, and the natural world. Instead of pursuing an unattainable ideal of perfection, this concept encourages appreciating the beauty inherent in the imperfect and the fleeting. 4. Gaman, perseverance and self-discipline. Gaman, translating to enduring the seemingly unbearable with patience and dignity, embodies perseverance and self-discipline in challenging times. It encourages staying strong and not giving up, fostering inner strength and peace. 5. Kaizen, continuous improvement. Kaizen, meaning continuous improvement, advocates for making small, sustainable changes in all aspects of life. Instead of seeking major overhauls, the focus is on continuous, incremental progress for long-term growth. 6. Shuhari, learning and mastery. Shuhari, a concept adapted from martial arts, emphasizes the stages of learning: follow the rules, shu, break the rules, ha, and create your own rules, ri. It underscores the importance of tradition, learning, and then developing a unique approach. 7. Mono no aware, gratitude for impermanence. Mono no aware encapsulates the bittersweet appreciation for the transient nature of life. It prompts cherishing the present moment, acknowledging its beauty, and feeling gratitude for the time we have. In addition to these, consider the bonus concept of matanai, which urges us to regret waste and value and respect resources, be they environmental or personal. By embracing these Japanese concepts, you can weave a tapestry of lasting legacy, resilience, and success that endures for generations. If you're curious about other ways successful families thrive, feel free to ask for more insights.